My name is Larry Sylver. I'm a project manager. I've been with Rockwell now for roughly 33 years. Matter of fact, in October it'll be 34. As a project manager with Control Logix, it's been very interesting over the last, say, 10, 15 years, actually managing, getting products out the door. And it's amazing how much effort it actually takes to get a product out the door. Normally, on a project team, there is probably anywhere to 25 to 30 people, and that's just local. And if it's a project where we have development across the globe, then it can be upwards to 75, 200 people that are working on a project. So now as a project manager, trying to figure out how do I keep everybody focused, in line, making sure that we are delivering the right thing at the right time. When people ask me where do I work, and I tell them that I work for Rockwell Automation, and they ask me, well, what does Rockwell do? So we're industrial controls. And they said, well, what does that mean? Help me understand that. And one of the things that I bring to their attention, well, when was the last time you had a very good cookie? And they will tell me about that cookie. I said, well, guess what? Rockwell had something to do with making that cookie. And then I come back to the kids when they ask that question, and they said, well, when was the last time you've been to an amusement park? Usually all of the kids raise their hands, and I says, well, guess what? Those rides that you're on are controlled by Rockwell Automation equipment. So every time that you go into a ride, you can think about Rockwell Automation. And that really gets them excited. Not only does it excite them, but it excites me because guess what? I work for that company.